by Billy Harrison. As we go about our business, in trepidation we stand and stare, not knowing what the outcome will be for the lonely hare. Beauty is all around them. They do no harm, but live in fear. They gracefully graze amongst us, the fragility of life for the deer. The morning chorus that greets us, from afar it can be heard. The tranquil voice, a welcome sound, we take solace from a lonely bird. No matter what the weather, the landscape as we roam, not knowing what we walk amongst, for the wildlife, it is their home. The travesty of modernization is there for everyone to see. Leave them alone, pray, let them rest, the humble bumblebee. If we as humans didn't exist, but wildlife stayed alive, the countryside would continue to flourish and to thrive. To take away that beauty would bring us all to tears. Common sense, it isn't sustainable. You're creating all those tears. Sadly, the wildlife will have no say. The matter is out of their hands. But we can stop the abomination of our green and pleasant lands. So, through the eyes of nature, for the future, this is no joke. Open your eyes as humans. Come on, you Woodhouse folk.